Where's there a bus stop?
Might be one of the
It's a bus stop. Where?
Sarah,
It's a...
and Michael with a 3.
Okay, there's a bus stop. Oh, the trees with grasses will be removed for filtration ponds and replaced with bushes. This place is beautiful. It's bird park. And there's birds where the birds are. I'll get back to you when we see the birds at the minute. At the minute. I tell you. At the minute. Okay. Pit fam. It's the Karoca family. I am full aware of what caca means. Caca. Full aware. Okay. Oh. This guy. Look at him. Oh, he looks straight at me. He looks straight at me. I took a photo of that. Oh, I thought that was an entrance, and I was so confused. I was like, what? What? There's birds in there. They're like ducks, but they're cool-looking ducks. And cool-looking ducks are cool-looking. Yeah. There's people's numbers on the thing, but on the tree, but I cannot show because then if I were to post anywhere, then I would need to sit still. It's consider. Okay, so my nephew is running and is not allowed to run. End of story. That story. And there's an extra bit, but that's where the birds are, and I want to get back to the birds. Are we going back to the birds? Are we figuring out where that goes? Okay. Oh. Okay, so we are going I'm getting sick of the accent now. We are going this way through the wood tunnel looking thing. No, this is not a vlog, Emily. It's like a vlog. I don't even know how vlogs work. Stop. What?
Is a vlog. No, she's vlogging.
Vlogging for the YouTubes, but I'm just kidding because it's just going to lay in my camera roll. What? It's just going to lay in my camera roll till I factory reset my phone or get a new one. Full stop. Anyway, if I run out of space during this entire video, slippery when wet, it is most definitely not wet at the current moment. Very hot and dry now, and even that tree thinks so. Yeah. I'm not really a comedian, so. How do I flip? Oh, we're just going to assume. We're just going to assume. Oh, darkness. We're just going to assume this can see what it needs to see. AKA my face. So, apart from my eyes, because of my sunglasses, stream is cracked. Sheesh. I'm ashamed of myself, but also love myself for that. So, still going after 5 minutes footage. It took us 5 minutes. Damn. We've been walking most of the time. I want to talk to the rainbow lorikeets and the macaws and Ringo. Ringo's a lime colour. Don't know what the others are called. Fitty or Witty? I don't know. Really hard to tell in New Zealand. They got to catch up. They're damn far away. Oh, butterfly! Ah! Okay, so my sunglasses did. What the hell? What are those little? This better not be. Oh, he popped out of nowhere. They're like. What the heck? Okay. So we're gonna ignore that. Anyways, we walking. We talking. We no longer talking. Why do I switch accents? I switch accents when I'm talking. It's weird. I need to fix the problem of the. Okay, so this is weird. Oh, birdie. It's there. Don't know if visible. Have we walked in a spot where we can walk? There are no longer.
We're halfway.
There's another bird. It's literally a bird. I almost called two birds turds. One of those.
No, not allowed to.
There's a park.
I suppose because there's arrows that will run the other side.
I really hope we're not supposed to be here. So what? What is?
Whoa, what's that?
It does
It's a
water.
windmill. A water mill.
Let's see if we can get the sound in. I don't know if the sound worked, considering.
Look at the sailboat. Oh, there's another one.
Oh wait, yeah. So yeah,
It's a sailboat.
that's a damn old boat, man. Damn, that's old. And then there's that too. Are we even supposed to be here? I don't think so. I'm gonna. Okay. Trespassing? In bracket. Oh, wait, no. Gone for a walk, gone wrong. In brackets. Went to the ER. In brackets, the cops were called.
You wouldn't go to the ER if the cops were called.
Ah, that's what the clickbaity. Ah, God, you're Gen Z. I'd expect more from you. We're going this way because that looks like a restricted path. Even more than this actually was, so, you know. We're fine. It's okay. It's fine. We've gone from this to this. No! That looks like a... Okay. Bye. Sorry, no, are you the one with, separation anxiety? No, I didn't think so. Well, because that seems like a restricted
I
area.
live around here.
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh, the arrows and ones will get lost.
I see a house. I see a house.
There's lots of houses.
Okay, so it's like a neighborhood kind of thing. A situation. But the path continues. I want to go back to the birds. I miss the birds. Looks like our house. Looks like our house. Like the colour, man. You know? Like the colour palette. Yeah, keep walking around there, not here. Yeah. How do I? Okay. Got a nice photo. Okay. We'll crop that. Anyways, I was indeed taking photos, yes. Anyway. Whew. Ah! This is a set mission, and my earplug just came out. I hear a train. I don't know if it's just my mind. I think I'm going crazy. There's music. Alright. Oh. What in hell for Jesus' names are those? Okay, so I have just been informed that they are mangoes and it's a mango tree. And at that giant apple, so I was thinking they were mangoes. Yeah, it's not so often you actually see mangoes in this country. If I'm honest, they're not a very common food. It's more of an American thing. Not gonna lie, my back's all itchy and I hate it. There's like one spot where it's really itchy. I'm itching it, but it's just not going away. Slippery when wet. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Okay, we're switching positions from this to this, but this is more Instagram-y. So this is more YouTube-y, so I like this. Oh God! These old people, except for that one, that one, the one that's failing to hold on to the rails, or was. You know, I could just run, and shall I? Well, they run, so. Ah! It's fine. I'm fine. It's okay. I'm fine. Ooh, pond. Yeah. 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 I can't stop yelling, you know? When you're a Gen Z, you just can't. You can't stop. I'm just gonna real quick see. Okay, so I was trying to take the photo, but I accidentally ended the video. Oh my God, I'm so puffed. Yeah, but I can. It's called editing. I need water. I came to the conclusion that if I have water now while we're walking, then then I'll just feel sick. So I already feel sick, and that just happens to me when I do exercise. It's normal for me. Me kind of normal, not the average person. For the birds, pioneering trees for next year. Yeah, I see absolutely zero puns, so not gonna lie. This is quite low. Not gonna lie, like.
Well, you gotta hold somebody's hand.
Not sure if this is a good. Oh no. Oh, okay. We're doing fine. We're doing okay. Pond. Oh god, no sun! I don't like it. What is that? What's that? Looks like some old-time fashion.
An old gold mining thing.
Oh, gold mining thing. Huh?
I don't know, fancy.
Oh. Well. Another bus stop. I'm gonna.
Oh, we're at the bus stop. Can we just wait for the next bus to take us the rest of the way?
Yeah, I'd like to take a bus.
Yeah, wait for the bus.
You gotta wait for the bus.
I might be waiting a while, but you know.
Maybe a couple years. Maybe like 80. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna keep moving, otherwise my legs will seize up.
Come on, babe.
I need water.
Get some.
Wait, Ray. Wait with Mum.
Ah! Can you film me?
What, having a drink of water?
Yes.
Come on, Ray.
It's called editing if I don't want it in. Make sure you can see me in the right frame. And so guys, basically, water is really good for you. And so, stop. Water is really good for you. And so, you gotta have water. Stop, Mum. Making Tommy in it sounds. Oh, don't film the non-star. Film the star.
Come on, quick.
Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna turn this. Oh no!
Hold my hand.
Earplug has fallen out again. Earplug! My earplugs keep falling out. I don't know what.
It's not really a bag.
Oh! My jaw! Oh god. I'm trying to switch. Okay. Oh no! Oh god. Yeah! Did it! Yeah. I have a flip phone case, but that is because it covers my entire phone, and so.
What's the tutu chain?
What?
Well, hold on, Emily's hand. Because only Katie's got to be at the end because she's only got one hand.
Yeah, because I'm kind of filming right now. I wouldn't be surprised if all the shots where I couldn't see what was on the screen looked terrible. Oh god. That is dangerous, and I don't want to fall. Okay, this is something you did at kindy, clearly.
Yeah. Well, they go to shops and stuff all the time.
They go to shops and stuff.
Who?
Oh, so they do this to shops or something.
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, no, they're naughty, aren't they?
Oh,
He dropped it first.
I need a...
We're holding on, don't worry. I won't let them go.
Ah.
Right.
Oh, my earplug.
They're naughty, aren't they?
Dropping it.
To check on everyone else.
Okay.
Yes, we are holding. You keep holding.
You know, the power of editing would make this video so good. Because I can spend like hours on this. Just figuring out.
That one's obviously yours, isn't that one? Yeah, that was a broken glass.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Broken glass. And so, why are you and Mum now? Okay. Wow. So switch hands real quick. So as we continue to go on this walk, we continue to be puffed out. Full stop. And so, lily pads shaped in the lily pad form. Okay. Yeah, okay. How are you? Okay. Alright. Mouse. Don't you just love when one of your family members do not want to be on camera, and so you don't want, and so you're gonna have to edit out more stuff, and then it's gonna be really hard to edit more stuff, and so I can edit. And oh, we're back here. Where did they go? You know, just gradually losing my family. Okay, so even out back here. And so gone back to that boat, and that wheels thingy, and that unknown house. Are we going this way now? Okay.
Popping in for a cupcake. I'm so confused. Look. Yeah, they're there. They're like sticks in it while it's drying.
I don't think they would have known. Bless you.
I told you.
You like Emily, like people. We're right back up to the top. The beginning of where the birds are. Oh, I need to go sit down. I do. Little tree mushrooms. Tree mushrooms, they're adorable. Anyway, my father is going to come to pick us up soonish. I will assume. I assume so. Oh God, more people. This is quiet mode. Alright, I'll go there. Oh. Oh, okay. Hello. Okay. And then, oh, I'm gonna film the sparrow. No. Hasn't seen every bird, and so I need to show it every bird. Okay, and so this one. Hello.
What else is doing?
Yeah.
Dance cookie, dance cookie.
I don't know if I can
He
hit
looks
it.
tired now. No, this is the owners.
Huh?
These are the owners.
Oh. Stop, Emily. Oh. Yeah.
So many, eh?
Yeah.
They were so cute.
Yeah, they're real little. You can see their burrow.
Oh, there's one there.
Oh yeah, there's mice.
I reckon they've got burrows all under it, eh? Probably. There's another one.
Oh there.
Yeah, see, there's a small hole in the corner.
Yeah.
I see that one. Yeah.
There's also a little
Oh,
ducky
look.
bit under the
Yeah, so that would be weird.
general areas of where they live. This is what you should look at. I rest my case.
Oh, look, it's on the tray. In the tray. See that first branches?
Oh! Oh, that was cute. I got a video of it. Okay, just screenshot. Hello.
Okay. Oh, fired itself in the head. Another one, I'll take a photo of it. Can't see another one. Put it on. Okay.
Oh,
Screenshot the thing you've got the mouse. Yeah, but I can't just.
I'll screenshot this when I look through the footage again. Hey, editor coffee here. I kind of just ended the video because the owners were there. The people that were there, they're the owners. They were the owners, and so I just kind of ended the video because I got uncomfortable because, you know, like, people. So because I didn't do an outro, like saying goodbye or whatever, here's the photos that were taken. So over here we got the black swan and the start of the video. Oh, and you know, here's a photo of the shadow. Oh, and another one. And another. Oh, and another. Oh, pretty claw. I love claws. I love claws. And I love birds. You know, just this. Okay, bye.